Welcome to Mocha Family Factory! We got a review. We selected a beautiful shop that I've been trying to get my hands on for a minute, Blushingbb. This video was actually requested as well. Let's get right into it. So this is how the package came. I already opened it. I was just way too excited.
Okay, so much stuff.
Where are they? Okay.
Candy for the slide.
Care card right there.
And the snow.
It comes with some borax as well. Also, for the record, guys, like, I literally thought I was going to get my 6 ounces of free slime. Like, I checked out in minutes. I was so mad. I was so mad because I was like, dang, like, how come I didn't get in that window of the first 10 orders? I was so mad, but whatever, like, next time.
Let's turn some bubble pops.
Oh, yeah. So, the first one that I ordered, which I'm super excited about, is Lavender Sugar.
And we got this.
Yeah, and it comes with a little, like, lavender plant. I don't know if you guys could see that. Look, this packaging is just so cute. Look at it. I wish this thing would focus. Whatever. And then we've got, so she wants to open this one.
No, but I don't have to.
Ooh. I thought it was supposed to come with the cow charm. So this one is white Strawbb cow ice cream. Look at that, so cute. It's a swirl, it's a swirled slime, gosh. And it's mixed with icy and butter slime. So
Mom, it don't have no leaf.
No, it doesn't have any add-ins for this one.
I had to open it, guys.
And then the last one.
I had to open it.
Okay,
Oh,
and this one.
We got. What is this?
It's a peach. Yeah.
Let's eat it.
And this one we got peach fuzz. Peach fuzz, peach fuzz, peach fuzz. Super cute, super cute. And this one is a cloud slime. So I'm super excited. I got 3 different textures. And yeah, so we're gonna get right to it. All right, which one do you wanna do first?
This one.
Okay, Lavender Sugar. Candy. Ooh, wait. We gotta see how it smells.
Guys, smell this, guys.
What is it supposed to smell like?
Cereal.
Does it smell like cereal? Does it say what it's supposed to smell like? Let's see. I don't... Ooh. Oh. Oops. Okay. Somebody doesn't want me to be great, okay? Nice. It has an interesting smell though. I'm just like, what is it supposed to smell like? It's not really giving like lavender.
Mom, it's not smelling. Mom, it's not making some bubbles.
So this is a bingsu crunchy. It's extremely thick, like what? Like this reminds me, now this texture right here,
This texture.
it reminds me of Elmer's goo. Because Elmer's goo is super thick, and it's like kind of hard to stretch. Yeah, it's very hard to stretch.
You don't have a texture.
It's like really...
Mom, you don't have no texture right here.
Uh-huh. I don't know how they do it, But I'm just like, this stuff is so thick. Like,
let's move on to the next one.
oh, you ready to move on to the next one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What do you think about this one? You don't like it?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Good. I like it too. I love the color. It's so pretty.
Let's put it there.
Like, just from that little bit of play, like, it will not go down at all. So we're just gonna place the top one for now until it goes down. Okay, which one do you want next? That one. All right. This one is white strawberry cow. White strawberry cow. Smell it. What does it smell like?
Yogurt.
It smells like yogurt?
Guys, this just smells like yogurt.
Yeah. There's a little cow charm right here. I thought it was supposed to come with the cow charm. It's hiding. But anyways, it has like female strawberry slices and a cow charm.
You didn't put this one. You didn't put this in here.
Oh no, you're not supposed to put that in there. It's an icy and butter slime mixed. I don't know if I'm smelling strawberry. I don't know what I'm smelling.
It still smells nothing.
Yeah, that's a nice texture. I like the texture. This one is nice because it's icy and butter.
Look, Mom.
Okay, listen, it sizzles. I don't know what it smells like, guys. It's not giving strawberry though. White strawberry ice cream. I don't know. I don't know. Her scents are a little interesting to me, but they don't smell bad at all. I just, for what the slime is, I don't know if that's what the scent is giving.
Wait, this is a cloud slime?
No, that one is a sizzly butter slime. Yeah. It's an interesting.
Which one I did?
Extra though.
Let's move on.
Okay, let's move on to the next one. This is not closing either, so we're just gonna leave that right. Next one we got is Peach Fuzz, and this is a cloud slime. Hopefully it smells like peach. That smells fresh.
This looks like smells soap.
Yeah, it smells like
Look,
soap.
there's a peach on it.
That's a leaf. A little leaf that comes with the peach, because when you put the peach on, you know, yeah.
Let's put it right there.
Put it, yep, there you go. And there you have it. There you have your DIY. There you go. It smells really good, actually. It smells like, yeah, it smells fresh. It smells like soap. And this is our cloud slime.
Peach is so cute. This is cloud. Oh, I found something. I found this one.
It's a peach. This one is sizzly too, listen. Ooh. Let's make this cloud. I'm gonna take the peach out. Oh, there you go. Let's see how this clouds. It seems very like moist. Now I can smell the peach. When I start,
It's like ugly.
it's not ugly. When I start spreading it,
Food coloring.
when I start spreading it, beautiful.
Beautiful.
Nice. So this is our cloud slime. really like the way this smells, actually. It smells
Let's put
really
this
fresh.
in there. No. It smells.
So that concludes our review, guys. Again, we got white Strawbb cow, lavender sugar, and we've got peach
Mom,
fuzz.
can I have the other ones?
Okay, you can play with that one. We got 3 different textures, 3 different smells, 3 different colors. And honestly, guys, like, I enjoyed every bit of this. Everything that I was expecting? No, I guess I was expecting, like, I don't know what I was expecting. But honestly, like, I love this shop. Like, the way that she packages her stuff, like, I really did enjoy it. I really did.
It's this one is like...
What is it?
Nothing.
I'm still trying to figure out how to make this thing
Mom,
called. See?
look, guys.
Make sure you hit that like button if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. We will see you guys next week, okay?
Bye.
Bye.